Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge Box and Cooking. In this video, I'm going to share a lesson that is a healthy life for 7th standard. It's a essay kind of a lesson that is written by Pablo Sacristan. In the ancient period, all the people were strong and healthy. They ate fruits and vegetables. They enjoyed doing exercise, walking, running, and playing. They were in a good mood, and the earth was the healthiest place. Let's see author introduction. That lesson written by Pedro Pablo Sacristan. Pedro Pablo Sacristan was born in Madrid and graduated with an MBA from prestigious business school. His passion for education and writing led him to create bedtime stories, short stories that help teach kids values. One of the witches was jealous to see this condition on the earth. She planned to prepare a potion. She called all the witches and made a plan. All the witches put their energy and it had a magical effect. One of the witches made a mistake muttering the word while preparing the potion. Because of this mistake, it completely destroyed the forest by a big explosion. All the witches were turned into teeny creatures like germs and were trapped in a small bottle. And a little boy swallowed it fully. This made a lot of changes. He gave up eating fruits and vegetables and asked for pizza, burger, etc. He was not interested to do the walking, running, or playing. He wasted all the time watching the TV, either sitting or lying. The witches managed to turn the effect of the potion into the worst disease known as the disease of wasting life. This disease spread from one person to another. All the people led a life like this. How to overcome the disease? Dr. Fitton discovered the cause of this disease with the help of a microscope. For this disease, there were no vaccines or cough mixtures. These witches were not already enjoy good health. The best cure for this disease was the person become healthy by eating fruits and vegetables, doing some exercise, and feel always happy. There was no need of taking pills or injections. Whoever took the advice of Dr. Fitton became healthy and got rid of the wasting life disease. The witches could be removed by a sneeze, so this era ended up totally well.